Okay. So now let me know once you're done with this step, when you're done with the search and result. This is the home page. People will come on this home page. They will first look on the left side, the search form. On the right side, they will see the results. Initially, they will see all the default results, but when they will search it, the results will change based on the what they are searching. Only Carrie said she's done, otherwise everybody is working.
Nani, I'll do it after the class. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, Kate, how are you? Where are you?
Yes, we can continue.
Okay,
I'll finish it later.
okay. So we have the search part on the left side. On the right side, we have the results part. Now I will go to the get bootstrap. If you do later, make sure tomorrow you keep up with the class, because if you hang for many days, you will be lost and then you will not able to recover. So make sure, I don't want you to do.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
tomorrow
man.
you should be with me. Okay. If I go to the forms in the if I go to the forms, since I want to build a search form, I will take this form kind of thing and I will put below the search. So the URL which I took the form, I will give you that URL. I will paste that URL in the chat. And now I will manipulate this div tag which I got it. First, I'll delete this form tag, because form tag generally was used in the olden HTML cases. In React, if we don't have the form tag, then also everything will work fine. But I can put form tag. But if I put form tag, I need to do some manipulation, which I will show you in some time. So let it form be there. I will show you that manipulation, which I will do. So first thing I will change, the first field will be the keyword. So user will search some keyword and I'll delete the for. I don't want to use for now. Later on I will tell you what is the replacement for the for. And input type is text. ID, no need to put ID, so I'll delete the ID. And the placeholder will be saying that enter any keyword. This is the first block of the form, and then here it will be search. So we'll say search. And in the button default, I will make it primary, and I will also add one more class, that is a form control. And then I'll save it. And I'll see how it looks now. So it is saying some error is there, and it's saying closing tag for input is not there. So since when I copied from the bootstrap, they forgot to put the ending tag in the input box. So I put now ending tag here to remove the error. So now this is my search box with the keyword, and I can put any keyword and I can search it. Right now it will not work because we haven't decided any search part. I also need to put the autocomplete, Google autocomplete, because I need the location where the user is located. So if I search in the Google about the Google autocomplete JavaScript, I will get the first link. In that, I will go here on the left side. I will go to the we'll go to the autocomplete address form, and this is the URL which I am using. I give in the chat. So I will show you what I want to implement. If I want to search, for example, San Jose, I should be able to see which are the name starting from San Jose. If I say Mountain View, I should be able to see Mountain View here. So this functionality we need to add it. So when I user select the Mountain View, I should be able to get the Mountain View, get the latitude, longitude of the Mountain View, get the county of Mountain View. I should be able to see all the details of that location. So right now we are going to implement this functionality today. Okay. So how to do that? So to do that, uh, there are few steps you have to follow. So before I start the integrating this part, you finish this form part. I will give this form in the chat also. You can copy and paste. And once this is done, I will start with this autocomplete part. And this autocomplete will be used in all my projects because all my projects are related to the location. All are related to the where the user is located, where is he searching. So I will be using this autocomplete in all my projects. So once
Yes,
this
yes.
form is done, we will start that autocomplete part. So today we will do that one. That one will take some time. So we will do this part today. So here below search, I will make that location part where user can do the autocomplete of the location. Okay, once form is done, let me know. I will start with the autocomplete. Autocomplete is little time consuming because there are a lot of steps to be followed. So let me know when you're done with the uh, form. Okay, Tony done, Carrie done. Kate and DJ will do later. Okay, so now once you're done, you have to check here also whether this page is look like this as you are seeing here. So user will be able to search the keyword. He can put Indian food, Chinese food because this is a food donation website. They can search any food name or they can put any text here, whichever they want, and the results will come for that text. I also want the location to be put because I need people to search on the two fields. One is the keyword and one is the location. So once the user put location and keyword based on these two, we will show the results. So now steps to put this Google part. This autocomplete we are trying to implement in our application, and this will be used in all our websites. So once you see it, next time whenever I show you this autocomplete, you have to do it yourself. So you should follow the steps by heart. So I will write down the steps do for autocomplete. So the step number 1, you need to install one npm module, and I will put that module here. Install autocomplete module, and that is npm install react-google-autocomplete --save. So you have to run this is the first step. Everybody come out of the npm start by pressing Ctrl C and run this command. What is the command? Npm install react google autocomplete. I gave you in the chat --save. So I have to run it here in the food donation folder, and I'll press enter. So everybody do as I'm doing. Okay, it is done. Now I will run the npm start again. Okay, so it's opening the page.
So in many question.
Yeah.
Um, in React.js, so you have to link the um, what's happening? It's I can hear myself.
Yeah, I
So
can not clear.
yeah, so link the so it's for linking other like this kind of open source JS. So we just need to install the plugin like this every time.
Yeah, so whenever we because if you build it yourself, it will take few weeks to do it yourself, to build some kind of thing
Right,
like
right,
that.
right.
So
I
you
mean,
yeah, you need to
before we use like link the JS like under the bottom of the bottom of the page
right.
source. So in order to link, we are doing this like install this plugin.
Your voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear you properly. Can you take your
Oh,
mic? I'm not. It's
uh,
breaking. Coming half
all right.
breaking.
Okay. Let me see what's wrong with that.
So in the form, I forgot to change the class with the class name. So everybody change the class to class name so that in the console you should not get the error. Though you are getting the error, a warning of the hash sign, which we will remove from the navigation, but right now let it be. Warning is fine, but at least you should not get any errors. So I was getting error because it was class, not the class name. So I'm change it to the class name. Okay. So now let's move further. And DJ, you ask me your question by sending the email. I will reply. Okay. So let's move further. I've changed the class to class name, and I did the first step of npm install. Now let's move to the second step. Now we have to include Google JavaScript file in our index.html page. So Google provides one JavaScript file which we need to take and we need to put inside our application. So if I go to this page, this one which I gave you, where we have the autocomplete, if I go down, it is having this script kind of thing. Okay, so it has this script on this one. I need this script, and it is asking to put your API key. So I have to click this API key. Once I click API key, I will see all the projects which I created. If you don't see this projects folder, maybe you haven't created any project, so you have to create it. There will be link to create a project, and then you have to create the project, and then you will be able to see the projects. So for example, I will choose one of the project, and I will get the API key, and I will say insert. So once I say insert, I will get insert here. The API key is installed here. Then what I'll do, I'll take this script. I'll take this script and I will put it in my index.html.
I'm
I will
getting,
go to,
I have no projects.
okay, wait 1 second.
Okay.
Let me put this and then I'll help you. So I will put this script of the Google here in this my page below bootstrap.min.js. I cannot put this because this key is unique. This key is only for me, and you have to create the link yourself. And I will show you. I will come to your computer to show you how to create this. If I put this, it should be without key because this key is only tied to me. It is
Yeah.
tied to my account. So everyone should have the own key.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
but this key is for another project.
any project is fine. It this that project should be anything. The Google project which you are talking, it can be anything. This key will be used in all our projects. We will use one key in all our projects, not two. But in Google, you can choose any project.
Okay.
Okay, once I put this one, I will remove this callback part and callback autocomplete. I will remove this callback part because I don't need callback, and rest should be same. Let's see how it works now. So if I see this page, let me refresh the page and see if I'm getting any error or not. This hash sign is okay because that sign is this is coming from the this hash sign is coming from the navigation part. We don't care, and this is coming from I think some of my extensions. I have a lot of extensions installed. Let me delete that extensions. I will close the extensions. Maybe some extension is not good. It is creating a problem.
Can I use the API key from project 100? I have one.
Yeah, whatever project you have, is it created by you or it is my key?
By myself, I think. By me.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see. I will come to the computer. You have to go to this location first. Everyone has to create the key yourself. Everyone has to create a key yourself. Go to this link and then I'll come to your computer to show it.